I'm sure all of you know that the novel coronavirus has taken over the world. Number of confirmed cases continue to increase in large amounts. Number of reported deaths rise by hundreds of thousands every day. Stores are completely sold out because of people hoarding enormous amounts of groceries. The whole world has become scared and frightened. But if people were warned ahead of time and followed some simple steps a bit earlier, life wouldn't be so chaotic. My name is Aiyaz Sayeed, and I would like to talk about some things that can easily prevent the invisible enemy. So one ordinary day, I got on my computer to search the internet, and some headlines were popping up. The first set of individuals tested positive for coronavirus in the US. China's reported cases are skyrocketing. So I clicked on one and started reading it. Halfway through, I thought the article was boring, so I started to search the internet, and life was normal then. Over the next couple of weeks, life began to change. China's cases were increasing rapidly. The media stated that Italy and other parts of Europe became the epicenter. The reported cases and deaths in the US were also starting to skyrocket. I then started to realize that the new coronavirus was starting to make the world change. Soon enough, in Oklahoma, where I live, reported its first case. Then all 50 states reported confirmed cases. Within days, all schools and the majority of businesses in the U.S. either switched virtual or just a temporary closure, leaving workers laid off. Then I thought the coronavirus is conquering the world. With lockdowns and stay-at-home orders, it made life very hard. But I also heard that you could prevent the virus, which also made me think if people were to follow these simple steps earlier, then the amount of reported cases and deaths wouldn't be so high. According to the Centers of Disease Control, also known as CDC, say that just following a few steps can prevent the virus. One of them is washing your hands often with soap for a minimum of 20 seconds. Now if you're thinking, wait, is there a special antibacterial soap I have to use? Not necessarily. Any soap kills coronavirus, and if you're not in a state of using soap and water, you can use any hand sanitizer with at least 60% rubbing alcohol, or otherwise it will not kill coronavirus. You should do this when you sneeze, come from a place with lots of people, or just simply to protect yourself. You shouldn't touch your face, mouth, and nose because those are openings for the virus to enter your body. Another one is maintaining social distancing. You should social distance yourself at least 6 feet apart from each other, especially when you're outside in public. In fact, at our school, all the school campuses switched to some distance learning, which to maintain social distancing. Stores like Winco Foods are metering the store so people maintain social distancing. You should also social distance yourself from those who are sick. The third one is wear a pair of gloves and a mask when you're out in public. Examples include getting groceries and going to the pharmacy for prescriptions. Do not use a frontliner or healthcare worker's mask. Examples include N95 and KN95 masks. If anybody in our household goes out of our house, a pair of gloves and a mask is mandatory for them to wear. Then whenever they come back inside, they must wash their hands with soap for 20 seconds. Even stores like Costco require all shoppers to wear a mask. The fourth one is cover your nose and mouth when you cough. If you are out in the public and do not have a mask, cough and sneeze into a covered space such as your elbow. Also, after using a tissue to sneeze, wash your hands right away with soap for a minimum of 20 seconds. If you do not have soap and water available, use hand sanitizer that contains 60% rubbing alcohol. The fifth one is clean and disinfect items that you often touch. These include tables, phones, tablets, countertops, desks, laptops, keyboards, light switches, toilets, faucets, faucet handles, and sinks. You may be thinking, is there any special disinfectant I have to use to disinfect surfaces? Normal household disinfectants like Lysol and Clorox kill coronavirus. For our household, we disinfect every day and night. So just following a few steps, washing your hands with soap for 20 seconds, maintaining social distancing, wearing a mask and gloves when you are out in the public, covering your sneezes and coughs, then washing your hands, and cleaning and disinfecting commonly used surfaces could save you from getting attacked by the invisible enemy. Thank you.